today's Manly Minute. Taking notes. My husband cuts down redwood trees.
Oh my goodness, are you serious?
Child.
Okay, so look at here. 45% of Americans all say that they have an issue with snoring. So that's causing a problem for the person next to them. Quick little story out of a best friend of mine in Los Angeles. We used to always play video games at night all the time. And so one night he decided to sleep over. And you don't know that your friend snores until they sleep over.
Yeah.
My wife told me the next day that person is never allowed to sleep at this house again.
Never again.
Never again. That's my dude and I love him, but yeah, you can't come over, player. I'm sorry. Only during the daylight hours.
Right.
So how to stop snoring? I got 4 things that are going to help you hopefully tonight, and then the 5th thing is a long-term solution. Take a look at this. Nasal spray. So here's the thing. A lot of people have an issue with snoring because your nose is stuffed up. So when your nose is stuffed up or congested, that's putting a lot of pressure on the soft tissue inside. They start to bump around a little bit. That creates the sound of snoring. So all you might need is an over-the-counter allergy medicine or a nasal spray, and that should be able to take care of that problem if that is what is causing you an issue. Number 2, a mouthpiece. So they make these sleeping mouthpieces. You can get them, they're about $40. And what they do is they reposition your tongue and your jaw through the course of the night while you're sleeping, and that helps to cut down on the snoring because it's all about your tongue, your jaw, of course, what's happening with your nasal passages. All of that's contributing to your snoring. This eliminates one of those problems if that is what's causing you a problem. Like I said, the mouthpiece, about $40. You can buy it over the counter. Number 3, change your sleep position. We talked about this before. Sleeping on your back is super conducive to snoring. I told you about this where they suggest that you put like a little pouch or maybe even pockets in the back of your pajamas, and then you put tennis balls back there.
Oh, yikes.
Because that will stop you from rolling over on your back. Because if you're on your side and then you try to roll over, you're going to feel really uncomfortable with those tennis balls back there, and you're going to go back onto your side again. And that may also help to get rid of the problem because a lot of people, it starts with sleeping on your back. Number 4, no drinking before bed. You see, alcohol and sleeping pills, they are respiratory depressants. So that makes your breathing a lot harder. It's more labored. When that starts to happen, that can definitely easily lead to snoring. So you want to get, a lot of people say, hey, I need to have a glass of wine or I need to have a sleeping pill to go to sleep. I do understand that, but those things together will make your breathing a lot more labored, and that will lead to the snoring. Now, these are 4 immediate cures that'll kind of help this thing tonight. If you have a much more serious problem, then yeah, you need to go see your doctor. Because this may be a much more serious situation where you may actually need surgery. And there are a lot of different types of surgeries that they'll perform to help take care of the problem, because it could be in the nose, could be in the throat, and it could be somewhere else more serious. That's 4 things you can do that can help stop snoring tonight. That 5th thing is a long-term solution. You might want to look into that if you have that serious of a problem. For more information, go to GoodDaySacramento.com. Click on Show Info for today's date. And man up for getting a good, quiet night's sleep. Good Day continues after this.
A woman, okay.